So ngayong hapon guys, samahan niyo ako mag arms arms magpapump up ako ng arms. Samahan niyo ako. Stretching muna tayo bago mag-start. Ano lang 12 reps lang.
Patay ang 99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Believe ng mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses Association. Shield Batso, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
Nakapagod guys.
Fabric conditioner manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality. Hey guys, the number one smart dishwashing base. Ang galing-galing na smart dishwashing base. Kita kulang ang masemo sa galing for everyday. Amoy na kung smart ang dishwashing base. May bago sa galing formula, galing sebo, bacteria. Ay para wala mahigiris, walang eksperimento at plastic na pamatuan. Ang galing-galing mo, smart dishwashing base. Heavy duty katino sa tagapahin. Smart dishwashing base, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality. ACS.
Ito na yung final ng pump ng katawan. Arms natin. Ngayon lang update na ngayong hapon guys.